welcome to my studio. My name is Pauline Le Britton. I'm an artist, a sculptor and an arts and health wellbeing practitioner. I specialise in bronze casting as well as many other things. My work's quite autobiographical. It's about place and belonging. This is an area I'm interested in developing with other people. I'm studying on a MA in Arts, Health and Wellbeing at USW in Cardiff. And one of my recent projects is working with People Speak Up, doing a project called Your Stamp on Life. I took inspirations from some of the pieces that I've made about my own personal memories based on medieval seals. So I thought I would take that idea and work with some people who are socially isolated through the creative home delivery service, offering them the opportunity to create a collage of objects and to call it Your Stamp on Life. And this is called the Miner's Fortnight from one of the participants. If you have a project in mind, whether it's in a group or one-to-one, please get in touch with me below.